we go. Is that, it needs to be fixed, the PTO, or was
the PTO shaft needs to be hooked.
Well, there's
no PTO on it.
Okay. Ah, she's a beauty.
House in Indiana. I moved to Indiana, so.
Oh, you moved to Indiana.
There.
What's this, a 350?
Yes, it is.
It would be a long ride to Indiana in this thing.
It would be. Yep.
Well, gas is going to go down to $1 a gallon.
Is that right?
That's what they said. That's what they said.
That sounds good.
$1 a gallon.
So when you headed out?
Well, actually, this house I was doing some work on before I moved anyway. So I'm still committed for a few more weeks to finish up some things here. Might already move my family down there.
The whole front end over here. Nice.
Yes. Now this truck, it didn't originally, and it's extremely cold-blooded, and it kind of hesitates a little bit. And after about 10 minutes of running, it warms up enough to, so it'll run, it'll idle.
Okay.
The choke isn't working quite right.
Let's look.
Okay. So I guess.
Been started today? Nice old 350.
Let's see. And you have to pump the crazy to get it started.
There we go. That's good. Oh yeah.
Well, you just keep it running for a while, and it warms up.
Cold-blooded.
It's cold-blooded.
Some kind of shaft for the PTO on it?
Yes, it doesn't have a PTO on it. There's one in the
4-speed.
cab. Okay, that somebody gave me for it. Actually, I'm assuming it's the right one.
You got some extra parts too in here.
Yeah, I got some extra parts in there.
That's good. You got some nice bench seat there. You can get a nice cover on that. 4-speed?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Is it 4-wheel drive?
Yes, it is.
Nice. Yeah. I saw, the front tires, 4-wheel drive. That frame looks pretty good. It's been patched a little, maybe.
Well, no, that's actually, I welded steel. Well, I didn't weld it.
You bolted. Yeah, it looks bolted.
Steel. I belted half-inch steel inside the frame. I wanted to beef it. That windshield was afraid to pull the thing apart.
Pretty good, yeah. Taking some pictures. And you had it painted at one point.
Yeah.
And you got the cab. The cab is repaired a little.
Yeah, I
practically tip-top then.
Yeah.
Mine was completely rusted right behind the cab.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This one really wasn't too bad, but the cab corners had holes in them and the rocker panels. So
You picture this side.
Weld those in. They're still a little bit sore.
Big old Napa. Oh, she's a beauty.